Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to place your Amazon Fire TV remote into the pairing mode. So this is very easy to do. If you look on the screen here, it says placing the remote closer to your TV, okay? And then press and hold the home button for 10 seconds. So this little home button on the remote, if you do that, it's going to put it into the pairing mode. And then you can also try, if it doesn't work, the button with the 3 lines on it, the back button and the left dial button. Press and hold all 3 of those buttons down at the same time for 12 seconds and that will reset your remote. So let's hold down this home button and see what happens. So this should cause the light in the top right to start blinking, and it should start trying to find a device to connect to. So sometimes it seems like it doesn't work, so I have to let go and hold it down again. So if you don't notice that, you might want to go and just try different batteries or just try it again. So you can see this light is blinking now, and it should connect to a device now that's close. Now if it's still not connecting, unplug your Amazon Fire Stick or your TV and plug it back in. And that screen that you saw before should pop up if no remote is detected. And that's usually what gets it to work for me. So just wait a few seconds and see if this was working. And I can see I'm connected to my TV in the background. So it should connect to this TV here eventually. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.